Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve problem of Fiverr. You will click on settings in this first page here of settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Fiverr and you will click here. In this page of app on 4 you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us.